Good day everyone, my name is Arslan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you're good. I hope everything's fine. And today we're going to be making a beautiful sort of a zigzag hedges facade for this, alright? Excuse me. So make sure you follow along. It's going to be beautiful. There's not any particular name to this, but you're going to find out when we make it in the end. So the first thing is let's press UN. And today's project is again a bit you could say hectic or complicated, and there are so many different points. So that's why let's start quickly and let's stop talking. So the first thing is going to be the point element. Let's split it on the work plane. So 1, and let's press MD. Let's click on that. Let's press CO, and this is going to be 8 meters. Fine. And so check this out. If we, for example, go back to our building, and I've made a massing inside, and the size of the pattern I've set it to 8 meters by 16 meters. So we are going to be following that. All right, nothing very hard to understand. I've done this so many times in my videos. After that, let's click on that, and let's go to make it adaptive. These are the 4 adaptive points. Let's press CO, and this is going to be what, 16 meters. All right, check this out. So after that, let's go to paste a point. Let's go to draw on work plane, and we need 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Fine, nothing very hard. After that, let's go to reference, let's go to line, let's go to activate on face, let's go to draw on face, let's activate 3D, and 1 and 2, start making these reference planes. We can even use the spline method. This is a better way of doing it. So general model adaptive. All right, so right here and right here, perfect. So until now everything is good, right? After that, let's go to points again, and let's start pasting more points. So this is again going to be on the face, and the 1 and 2 right here, and the 3 right here. Let's press MD. Let's try to zoom in a little bit, and let's change this to a controllable parameter. So this is going to be new, and a horizontal offset. Guys, I'm speeding up. I told you I hate long YouTube videos. All right, so make sure you follow along. And this is 0.5, right? The value of this has to be 0.5. Perfect. So now control and this right here, and both of them again to horizontal offset. All right, nothing very hard to understand. Let's go to 3D view. Let's close all inactive views, and now we need more points, guys. So points, and draw on work plane, and set this point. Fine, and set this point again. We have to set individual points, right? This is very important, and because you guys, I'm going to explain it to you in a while. Later on, when we move the bottom point, the above point is also going to be moved. That is going to be the host. So these small tips and tricks, make sure you learn with me. All right, after that, so this is our point, right? Let's change the vertical offset into a controllable parameter. This is going to be the VERTICALOFFSET. The vertical, I hope my spellings are correct, and triple F's. Vertical offset. Okay, and let's set the value of the vertical offset to be 2 meters, and my alarm just turned off. Okay, does it turn on or off? I don't know. So let's grab this point, and let's grab this point. So these are the 2 extra points, you guys remember, right? Let's change these values to vertical offsets again, and okay, and check this out. This is what we have now. 2 more points. One was right here, of course, I remember, and vertical offset. Guys, make sure you're following along, and vertical offset right here. So it's sort of a zigzag and a hedges facade. It's beautiful, but there's not any particular name to it. Now reference lines, and draw on face, activate 3D, and 1 and 2 right here, and 3 right here, and 4. Perfect. And after that, reference line is the same thing. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. After that, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and line again. So these are all the bodies that we have to make, the solid bodies. Fine, and let's go to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and one final point from this one to this one. Perfect. And oh my god, we need more points for this. One is going to be from this point to this point to this point. You kind of have to make this rectangle, and from this point to this point to this point. And check this out, guys. So a very big progress. Now let's start making our actual bodies. 1 2 3 paste and solid, and bring to this point 1 2 and 3 and paste, and I mean not paste but make a solid body, create a solid form. Paste is the wrong word. 1 2 and 3 and create form, and check this out, very nice. So 1 and 2 and 3, perfect. Alright, and 1 and 2 and 3, and alright, and 1 and 2 and 3, alright, here you go, and 1 and 2 and 3, and yes, okay. Now click on this, and click on this, and form body, and here you go, and 1 and 2 and 3 and form body, and here you go, and now more points. So no, that is the wrong section. Reference line, paste on face, activate 3D snap. This is very important, and the first point is going to be from this to this to this, and one final one is gonna be the last one from this to this right here. And then if you go to modify, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and if you go to create bodies, here we go. Now our final shape is almost done. So this is the design was a bit, it was stingy, right? There's so many different small things that you have to consider. So create points, and here you go, and 1 and 2 right here, and 3 right here, and 4 right here. Alright, check this out, guys. Our design is complete, and look at how beautiful this is. Alright, so now we are going to be okay, I think this is it, right? So now I'll quickly add the materials and we are going to be back. Alright guys, check this out. So we kind of I just skipped this part because it was nothing special. I went to the materials, I went to the modify, I painted, I kind of made this red and white surface. I don't know how it would look in the renders. So once we're done with everything is complete, right? 1 2 and 3 and 4, these are the 4 adaptive points. Let's load it into the project. This is project 1, right? So now after this, I mean the workflow is the same. If the component is not showing, press CM. And here you go, this is the component. So these are the nodes, 1, and where is the second node? Oh my god, I lost it. Here is the second node. This is the third node, and that is the fourth node. And here you go, guys. Look at our yes, this is it. So you can even change the size according to what you like. And finish mask. And let's go to cancel. Let's go to masking inside. Let's turn off mask. Let's go to realistic. Let's just try to go to graphic displays and shadows. Let's activate the shadows. Let's go to sketch lines. Let's activate the sketch lines, and lighting photo. Let's enable that. For the lighting, let's go to the top left. It works in most of the cases. And oh my god, and here it is, guys. So this is it. Look at how beautiful this is. This is the, I mean, it's sort of a hedges and a zigzag facade, and I think it looks very beautiful, isn't it? Look at how nice this is. So this is something I saw, and I'm finally made it. Look at how nice it is, right? So take care of yourself, have a good day, and bye bye, and I'll include the rendered images in the end. Bye bye.